You're going to be getting 60 seconds yet again to answer your question. And when the time is almost up, again, you're going to be hearing this sound. Yeah. Okay. So to give your question, we call on our judge, Mr. Ian Menda.
Hi, Alma.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening. You look so gorgeous.
Thank you so much. How are you?
Okay, so if you could throw or host the ultimate party, what would the theme be, and who would be on your guest list? One more time. Okay, so if you could throw or host the ultimate party, what would the theme be, and who would be on your guest list?
My party will be a welcoming party because this party is not just like a welcoming. It will signifies and represents the whole Pasig. And my guest list will be, of course, the Pasigañas, but not only the Pasigañas, but all the universe here. Because I want you to show that this party is about representing the vision of Pasig, which is progress while preserving our nature. Because Pasig is not just a center of commerce, but a center of dynamic people. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And meron din
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Candidate number 6, Kapitalo, Alma de la Cruz. Gusto mo rin ba naman sa party? Welcoming party.
Oo, I love that. Siguro mag-uuwi na lang ako ng foods.
Sa Sharon tayo. Kasi masarap ang mga lutuin dito sa Pasig. Hindi pa po natin mga kakanin dito sa Pasig. Masasarap din. Titikman natin yan. Alright, I think we are ready for our next candidate to join us right here. Let me call on candidate number 1, Bagong Ilog, Alessandra Eugenio.
Congratulations for bagging so many awards tonight. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling quite nervous, but I'm very much excited.
Okay, so are you ready for your question? Your question will be coming from Miss Adam.
Hello, good evening, Alessandra. Here's my question. What's your idea of a perfect, carefree day?
My idea of a perfect carefree day is just being yourself, just going with the flow in everything that you do. And what I've learned in my life is that you should always go with the flow in order to have a happy life. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Like the Pasig River. Go with the flow.
Just right away.
Diba? I think
Go with the current.
Of course. Face
Ay,
the
correct ka sa Pasig River. Baka buning-ini ko lang.
Kunti lang. Para makagalaw ka ng konti. Pero,
Swim with the fishes.
pwede. Diba? Marinis naman ang Pasig River. Alright, up next, let us go on candidate number 15, San Miguel, Prinsula Green, Cuevas.
Hi. How are you feeling tonight?
I'm good. I'm actually happy, but a little bit nervous.
It's normal, yeah.
Yes. And of course, your question will be coming from Honorable Leonardo A. Sabini.
Hello, Miss San Miguel.
Good evening,
You're so
Paul.
beautiful.
Thank you so much.
This is your question. How do you handle pressure or stressful situations in your life?
Every day we encounter different circumstances and problems in life, different pressures and doubts. The way I handle that is I actually think the thing that makes me happy. I actually always think and to look positivity and to every negative things of our lives, because no matter what happened, we should always move forward and be happy and stay positive. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
If there's one thing you can control, it's your thoughts.
That is right. So happy thoughts now.
Yes, positive thoughts.
Think positive. Alright, great job, Miss San Miguel. Up next. next, let us call candidate number 11, Pinagburatan, Alessandra Tan. Hello. Alessandra, anong feeling na ikaw ang nilapitan at hinatak ni Johannes kanina? Parang mangawitan.
Actually, I'm surprised because I did not expect it, but thank you for the opportunity of dancing in front of so many people because it's not really my forte.
Alright, you did fantastic. You look glorious.
Yes. And are you ready for your question? Your question will be coming from attorney Christian Sia.
Hi, Andrea.
Good evening, attorney.
Look beautiful tonight.
Thank you so much.
Right, so my question for you is, who is your biggest role model and how has this person influenced you?
You know, the biggest role model in my life is my mom. Because we have faced so many circumstances in life together. And I came from a broken family, and that made me stronger and capable of things I thought I couldn't. But now I'm standing in front of you today, confident with the help of my mom. Thank you.
Shout out to your mommy, she's here tonight.
Hello, Abby.
And to all the moms.
Kaya talaga yung confidence na binibigay niyo sa ina. Thank you so much for the love and for the confidence that you're giving. Candidate number 11, Pinagburatan, Alessandra Tan. Up next, we have candidate number 7, Manggahan, Eileen Ann Sandila.
Hello, candidate number 7. Sino naman ang mga kasama mo tonight? Ayun.
Mother and yung kapatid ko, tapos yung boyfriend ko.
Oh. Ay, boy.
Yes, boyfriend the show, guys. FYI. Alright, now for your question, we're going to be asking Dr. Joseph Songo to give us the question.
Okay, this is my question. If you could live in any time period, past or future, which one would you choose and why?
Can you repeat the question, please?
If you could live in any time period, past or future, which one would you choose and why?
I would choose now. I live now because I believe that I live with a purpose right now. That's why I'm standing here in front of all of you because I have a purpose. Raising awareness for mental health, just like my advocacy. My purpose is raising awareness for mental health, and now I'm using this for fostering open conversation and supporting those who need it most. And I know that this title will empower me to make a real differences in the lives of others, creating a ripple effect of healing, hope, and strength. And we can have a better future when every voice is heard, every person is supported.
Thank you so much, candidate number 7.
Alright, Eileen.
She wanted to live the moment.
Live in the now. That is what she chooses. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it this time for our next candidate. Candidate number 8, May Buga. Sophia Chenagata.
Hello there. How was the whole preparation?
Well, the whole preparation is definitely fulfilling. Seeing the support not only of my family, but of the whole Barangay Buga!
Nandiyan silang lahat. So, your question will be coming from Mr. Jed Dakar.
Hi, Sophia.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Alright, so here's my question. If you were a superhero, what would your superpower be? And how would you use it to spread joy?
Well, if I were to be a superhero, the power that I will choose is the power of healing. For I believe that in a world full of discrimination, hatred and anger, I believe that we have the power to heal other people. Then we can not only heal that person's wounds, but we can touch the hearts of each and everyone that that person talks to and interacts with. I believe that we are living in a society wherein there are people who would try to bring you down, but when times come that there will be healing for you and that there will be people who will support you, then I believe that if we were to foster healing within each and every one, then we will live in a universe where peace and joy will foster.
Thank you so much, Candace.
So clear. Kailangan ka na din ako sa videos. Wala na yung mga sakit sa likod sa loob.
May powers sa video.
Kailangan na yung powers. Alright. Let us now go to candidate number 3, Mandiogan, Maris Nanamisa. Hi, Marisa. How are you feeling?
I'm really grateful and happy right now because I know that I have my family and my friends with me right now supporting me. Thank you.
Amazing. All right, keep that feeling going on as we ask you your question. And this time it's going to be coming from Congresswoman Michelle Singson.
Good evening, Marisa.
Good evening.
My question is, how do you define success and what is your ultimate goal in life?
I define success as the first step you take the door, because the door is an opportunity for you to improve yourselves. And my goal in life is to be an inspiration to everyone, as someone who is battle with because and a lot of imperfection of life. I want women to aspire me to be who they are and to strive for the better, because we women are the strength and we can make a better universe and Philippines for the better citizens. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Personal definition of success, what she wants to be, an inspiration. That is, thank you, Mandiogan. Up next, we have candidate number 4, Pepas, Mariel.
Poetry in red.
True that, I think beautiful, Mariel.
Okay, are you ready for your question? Your question will be coming from architect Shamsi Suksuk. Hello.
Hi, Miss Shan.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so here's your question. What's your go-to song when you feel sad? And why does it lift your spirits? Again, what is your go-to song when you feel sad? And why does it lift your spirits?
My go-to song is The Time of My Life from Black Eyed Peas, because whenever I'm sad, I always think that everything happens for a reason. Let's just enjoy whatever that we may encounter along the way, because all throughout the day and at the end of the day, there will be a reason why it happened, and at the end, it will be all worth it. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Candidate number 4, Ariel William Pepas.
Oh,
Ikaw, ano na song mo kapag medyo na-down ka?
Ako yung kinanta kanina yung Hannes. But you know what? Philippines is #1 daw sa isang survey. We are #1 in the whole world in the sense to the music.
Oo, mahilig talaga tayo sa marami
Mahilig
na.
tayo sa music.
Oo, kaya maraming magaling naman pa rin. Kasi mahilig makinig ka
Pero
ng
okay pa lang eh, kahit ayaw mong makinig, naririnig mo sa kapitbahay.
Yun na. But I love it. And we share the love for music. Up next we have candidate number 17, Santolan, Gwen Sigrid Cladera. Hi, Gwen. All right. Grab that microphone. How are you feeling? Feeling confident already and comfortable?
I think I'm feeling fine. I want to go to the restroom because I had a lot of water before going upstairs. Aside from that, I'm feeling confident.
Understandable. Alright. Okay, so but you have to answer this question first. Let me call to ask you your question, Miss Ara Mina.
Good evening, Gwen.
Sarah.
Hello, my beautiful kabarangay.
Yes.
Here's my question. What's the one thing that never fails to make you laugh, no matter how tough your day is?
I think one of the things that makes me laugh is my family. Whenever I'm feeling down, whenever I'm feeling sad or unmotivated, I just look at my family and they will tell me jokes. They will tickle me. We are a very close family. So I am blessed to have this kind of life. And I want to be that someone to the universe as well. I want to spread joy, hope, inspiration to the people so that when they are feeling down, I can motivate them and spread happiness to the world and to the universe. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Gwen, yung family. So siguro
Mahilig bang ngilite? Sino dito?
Ayun, mga kapamilya. Mamaya po pakiitirin po. Sabi niya may tickling na nangyayari. Thank you so much, Gwen. Alright, we are down to our last question. Ladies and gentlemen, so let us call on candidate number 9, Orango, Antoinette Bernardo.
Hello, Miss Orango. Nakaka-pressure ba waiting there? Habang nakikinig sa lahat ng answer ng other candidates here. Yes.
Because it's my first pageant, so everything is new for me.
Well, I hope you have a good journey. And good luck to your question. Your question will be coming from architect Shamsi Subsukli. Hello. Hello.
Okay, madali na yung question. Give me at least one secret that you are okay to share with all of us live tonight. Again, give me at least one secret that you are okay to share it with us tonight live.
This secret will be okay for me to share, but I think my family won't be okay with this. But to be honest, I'm wearing this beautiful gown from Gerald Yakat, but I don't have an underwear. So that's my secret. And that's all.
Thank you so much. Si Marek Shamsi kasi Marites pa. Ayan. Thank you so much. Grabe.
Napagod. Best namin na
The Q&A round.
Alright, the secret is out, ladies and gentlemen. How about